Programming your 2003 to 2007 Toyota Land Cruiser key fob is a straightforward DIY task. It allows you to sync a new or replacement remote to your vehicle's ECU without needing special tools. This process leverages the Land Cruiser's built-in system. The key fob communicates via radio frequency at 314 MHz, and up to 4 fobs can be programmed per vehicle. Newer models may require OBD2 tools or dealership intervention. Enter the vehicle using the key, not the fob, and close all doors. Insert the key into the ignition. Cycle the ignition off to on, off to on, off to on within 15 seconds. The vehicle may honk or flash lights to confirm entry into programming mode. Press any button on the first fob to program it. The horn may sound. Repeat the process for additional fobs within 40 seconds. Exit by turning the ignition to on and waiting 10 seconds. Timing is critical. Delays over 40 seconds will reset the process. Program all fobs sequentially, one after another. If the vehicle's immobilizer system is compromised, reprogramming may require professional help.